Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Today I am making a pasta salad. It was a challenge made by our friends over at Eggs, Flour, and Yeast. And if you aren't subscribed to them yet, you should be because they're awesome. Most of the people who are subscribed to me are already subscribed to them though. So, but if you're not, you should be subscribed. This one's going to be a taco pasta salad. So first I'm making a cilantro lime dressing, which will go on the salad, and this is so, but if you don't want to make the dressing, you don't have to do it. If you want to cut down on some of the work, you can just use a bottled dressing of your choice. Ranch would be awesome. They also sell a lime cilantro dressing in the store. That was one bunch of cilantro. This is 1 cup of mayonnaise. It's actually a little bit over a cup. There was a little, just a tiny bit more left in the jar, and so I just went ahead and put it in. Zest of 1 lime. 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. 1/3 cup of cotija cheese. If you don't have cotija cheese, you can use feta. 1 can of green chilies, diced green chili, 3 whole cloves. I'm going to let the blender do the work on those. All I did was peel them. Okay, and now I just need the juice of this lime in here. On high until it's nice and creamy. Now I'm just going to add some salt and pepper real quick. Alrighty, let's see how that tastes. Oh, that's good. I wouldn't do anything else to that. I'm just going to put this dressing in a jar and put it in the fridge while we get the rest of the stuff ready. Okay, now we're going to get started with the meat part. This is, I'm using this brand today, but I usually use Morningstar Farms. They didn't have any in my store, so I'm going to go ahead and hope this tastes just as good. I just want to put this in here really quick with 1/4 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. And I made this taco seasoning, but if you don't want to make it, again, buy a packeted seasoning. We're going to cook this on medium just until it's warmed through. If you were using regular ground beef, again, this is, I don't think I mentioned it, but this is a vegetarian way, but you can use ground beef. And if you're going to use ground beef, brown your ground beef and then add your taco seasoning in your water, and then you would go from there. Okay, our beef crumbles have cooked up nicely. Those have absorbed that flavor of that taco seasoning, and all the water's out of there. Again, if you were using ground beef, it would be a backwards process. You're going to cook the ground beef and then add the water and the seasoning, and then let it cook for however long the package says, usually about 10 or 15 minutes. Now we're going to get to this, putting the salad together. This is just amazing salad. I'm going to take about half of this head of lettuce and chop it up into chunks. You could also do it in shredded if you want, but I want little chunks. I'm a chopped salad person. I like a chopped salad. So this is sort of like a chopped salad in there. Now I cooked 3 cups of rotini pasta. That's the little curly cues. Okay, I cooked those to al dente. This was 9 minutes for my pasta. It was 3 cups I put in there. 1 can of black beans, rinsed and drained. This is 1 ear of corn that I just cut off of the cob. This is optional. This is 1 bell pepper chopped into little chunks. 1 red onion, finely diced. And this was about 10 or 12 cherry tomatoes, and I cut them in half. This is another optional item. This is a finely diced. Now I'm going to add the dressing, and you put as much dressing as you want. We'll try this. This was about 1/2 cup, and if I end up needing more, then I'll just add more. It's like a regular salad, but it's a pasta salad, and it's going to have the hamburger chunks and the beans, so it's got that protein in there. I'm not feeling bad about this salad. Okay, I do think it needs a little more dressing, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more. Not too much. You don't want it swimming in it. Or maybe you do. Now this, of course, you could make ahead. If you wanted to make it in the morning and have it for dinner, you could do that. Make it the night before and take it to your potluck at work. That's an excellent idea. Glad I thought of it. Now I'm just going to put a couple spoonsful of this ground meat mixture. Now, if temperature difference bothers you and you don't want that hot hamburger on your salad, on your cold salad, then by all means let it cool down. And there you have it. This is my pasta salad, and I call it my taco pasta salad. Well, I hope you give this a try at home. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you'll try the challenge if you have a pasta salad you'd like to enter in their challenge. It's Summer Pasta 2021. So hashtag Summer Pasta 2021 if you want to enter your pasta salad in the challenge. Thank you for watching. I know there are other channels out there that you could be watching. I appreciate that you're watching mine right now. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it if you'd consider doing that, and if you'd give me a thumbs up, I'd also appreciate that. And I will see you next time on Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Thank you so much. You take care now.